This button has two working modes. One is full auto filling mode and the other is manual. When you turn to the auto filling mode, then it's filling like 5 seconds, 6 seconds. You can just set it. Like 6 seconds for one filling or 7 seconds for one filling. And for manual, it's just work with the full pedals. One press. If you want to stop it, just press this emergency stop buttons. This table shows the air compressor pressures. And here, this button is to adjust the capacity of the filling amount you want to fill. Here, this is the electric buttons, shows the powder is on or off. And this just to connect the air compressors into the machine. These two buttons is to adjust the filling speed. Like you turn on, it feels robustly. If you want to make it faster, turn it up. Turn off. On the auto filling mode, it's like this, filling per bundle after several seconds. It's adjusted by the two buttons. Today we would like to introduce this pneumatic filling machines to you. This machine is with a fuel nose. This fuel nose can hold 40-liter materials. It works for honeys, creams, something sticky and viscous material. This one is a one-head machine. It's work with air compressors. Now I show you how it works. Now press the foot pedal. See? The amount is same. Advantage of this machine is it's much more accurate than the electric filling machines. That's all. Thank you for watching.